Kunal, coming to you first. Equities seem a bit tired today. We've taken a bit of a breather after a few sessions of non-stop rally. So in this backdrop, what's your high risk and low risk idea for today?
So hi, very good morning. What we have seen in market is that Nifty started rallying from almost 11,800 and went up to almost 12,900. So as of now, it seems overheated along with Bank Nifty also. So I'm expecting a bit of correction in the Nifty coming down to say 12,400 kind of zone over the period of say one and a half weeks. And when it comes to Bank Nifty, again, there also I'm expecting some kind of correction to the extent of 27,700, 800 kind of zone. I'm not saying that it's going to be a new down rally, but certainly it seems extremely overheated. Though the momentum is still open, but momentum is fading away. So keeping those things in mind, I have three ideas. One is the short idea, which is little high risk idea, and that's on the Maruti. What we have seen is that's an underperforming counter in the entire auto segment. So keeping that in mind, the stock is near to the resistance mark as of now. So keeping the stop loss of 7150, I'm expecting the counter to move towards 6,500 kind of zone. So that's the first short idea. The other two are the long. The first is from the underperforming sector, that's Sun Pharma. And this counter has been in momentum yesterday, but today it's holding up the trend. So keeping the stop loss of 505 being the low risk counter, 505 being the stop loss, I am expecting the counter to move the small uptrend till 560 kind of zone. And the third one will be Wipro. Now, again, we know the update from the company side, and the stock has been in consolidation. Right now, it's available to me on a very attractive risk-reward ratio, so I'm going long on this, keeping the stop loss of 343. That's just 2 rupees from the present level, and expecting the counter to move on to 365 over the period of 2 weeks.
Okay, thanks for that, Kunal. Gaurang, hi, morning. What are your wealth creation bets for us from a high-risk or low-risk standpoint?
Thank you, Karanya, and morning to all of you all. So I think two investment ideas, one from auto and the second one from the FMCG pack. The first one is from the FMCG pack, well-established, highly credible corporate house, Godrej Consumer Products Limited. And if you have to reflect upon the earnings gone by, well, tremendous strength is what we expect for the quarters to come. Has presence on the domestic and global market as well. So you have a great product mix and geographical mix, if you will, targeting somewhere close to about 820 from a long-term point of view. And this is one of the stock, Karanya, amongst the FMCG pack when you compare with the likes of HUL, Tata Consumer, Dabur, Marico, which has been a little bit subdued, if you will. So our sense is post-earning, I think the time has come for the performance to come through. And long-term targets of 820, as I mentioned. The second one is from the auto pack, one of the strongest contenders in the sports utility vehicle, SUV, utility vehicles, tractor, agri-equipment, commercial vehicle, and the stock is Mahindra and Mahindra M&M. I think today the stock is doing fantastically well post whatever has happened over the earnings, post the earnings outlook. Both these are long-term investment ideas. Of course, first of all, M&M is the target of about 850. And I think our sense is that the sports utility vehicle, the recently launched Thar 2020 has shown tremendous traction in terms of the number of booking that it attracted. Secondly, they have got great launches coming up. Thirdly, the tractor segment is going to add to the balance sheet in terms of top line and bottom line numbers. And we would not be surprised if the scrappage policy has to come through, then all the commercial vehicle manufacturing companies are likely to do very well, including likes of Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motors, M&M, etc., who are in the CV segment. So 850 is the target on M&M, and both these are long-term investment idea. My humble request is don't go and put all your money at one time. Use dips to add on to it and build your portfolio accordingly.